He just really thinks he's doing something. Chippy. Come on. Go get it. Go get it. Huh? All the animals are trying to figure out what's going on. Having babies, friend. They're kittens. Look, there it is. It's okay. It's a kitten. I think Prinny thinks she's supposed to mom it. Are you mothering it, Prinny? You keep an eye on it for him? What are you doing?
But Saturday would be a safe day to attend a birthday party in Ciudad Juarez, Mexico.
What is it, Bryn?
In El Paso, Texas.
Mama's having kittens.
They fell victim to the horrors of the Mexican drug war and were both shot dead by a sapper.
What, puppy? You help me jump on the box.
Right next to the
No.
There's
But you on that.
very close to
But you on that. Go on, go on. Go on.
His window, Mayor Jose Reyes Farias described how the American